A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. The repetitive barking cough that is not present once the child is asleep is the diagnostic criteria. While cough may interfere with falling asleep, the cough gone once asleep is the diagnostic sine qua non for this peculiar disorder. I have no idea what it comes up.
Hi, I'm Bethany. I'm 12 years old. I could do anything any kid could do before my cough. When I couldn't stop coughing, it made me really sad. Dr. Weinberger taught me how to make my cough go away in only 10 minutes.
Yeah. I told you, right? The total number?
Yeah. We don't want to keep count of them. We just want to.
No. She wants to tell Hunter. Shh, tell him. Look. We kept a precise diary of every event during this horrible time. We're releasing it out onto our website so that anybody can look at it also to see if they feel that they fit the criteria of this terrible habit cough. We eventually ruled out everything, working with our doctors trying to figure out what this was. One of our doctors early on said, "Tell your body to stop coughing," but that's all she knew. There was no other information available at the time. As you see here, we ruled out basically everything over the counter, and we even looked at GI, reflux. We even checked her saliva, which wound up to be in a good range. We were at wit's end. We didn't know what to do. Then after 3 months, we had a huge find, habit cough in adolescent children by Dr. Berman. And it was such a relief. We're like, wow, somebody knows. Through more research, we wound up tracking down Dr. Anbar out of Upstate University Medical. And I sent him an email, and he was the first person to mention Dr. Miles Weinberger. As luck would have it, I found Dr. Weinberger's email address. I sent him an email with our diary, asking him if it might help him in some way. He actually sent me an email that I saw right when I got home, and he said, "Call me tonight." And he had this awesome paper, The Habit Cough, how to diagnose it and to treat it. We were blown away. He actually said, "Call me." I called him, and he asked, "Does Bethany wake up with the cough in the middle of the night?" I said no. He knew right then and there that it had to be habit cough. We arranged for him to Skype 2 days later. He wanted Bethany to be there with a glass of water, ready to concentrate. What you're about to see shocked and amazed us. I planned on recording audio only, but about 3 minutes in, I realized something really incredible was happening. I picked up my wife's phone and I began to film because no one would believe what we were about to see.
Great girl. You've done it. Over 3 minutes. Hey. Don't. Once you cough once, try not to let it happen again. Try and hold it back because that causes more irritation and makes you cough more. But you did it for over 3 minutes. Okay. Did it get a little bit easier that time? Still hard though, huh? Okay, we're going to go for 4 minutes now. Yeah. Okay. You're doing it. You're doing great. You went 3 minutes before you coughed.
Mm-hmm.
So I bet you can do 4 minutes too. Because you're taking control. You're not letting it control you. Okay? So this is what you have to keep doing. You may have to do it for a while. It's going to gradually get easier. Gradually gets easier. Okay. I think you can do it yourself for a while now, can't you? Okay. Let me talk to your mom and dad, but you keep thinking by yourself. You keep control. Mom and Dad, are you there?
Yes. So here we are, Dr. Yim's office. What did we do today? And she can't talk a whole lot because she's still still recovering. So yeah, and she has to cough right now. And hold on. What do you do? Do that.
Don't cough.
Right? Great job. Let's walk. So we're gonna go and have a treat. So Dr. Yim was wonderful. He did a great job. No, I don't want you to, Dr. Wine. No, try not to. No, try not to. Take it. Do one. All right. What? One more minute. One more minute. Hold on. I'll tell you when time's up. Take a sip of water. 1 more minute. I'm always going to say 1 more minute. Okay. You're allowed to do a couple extra. That was only 6. Normally it's 12. Still good. You cut it in half, okay? Good girl. How do you feel? Ugh. So Dr. Weinberger said, just shave off a little bit, basically. That's my words, but he said if you're going to cough 12 times, only cough 6. And then you cough 5. What you doing?
Taking my medicine.
What's your medicine?
If you start feeling anything,
Oh, great.
Thank you for teaching me how to make my cough go away, Dr. Weinberger. If I can do it, you can do it too.
On our way home from Dr. Yim's visit, Bethany saw the sign and yelled, "Daddy, turn around." Wow. Follow your steps and drink your water, just like Dr. Weinberger said. Dr. Miles Weinberger, you certainly are miles from ordinary. The goal she reached is to be a flower girl in her friends' weddings and more.
My full session with Dr. Weinberger is on our website at habitcough.com.
Please be advised, this was our experience with Dr. Weinberger. Yours might certainly differ, but talk to your pediatrician, talk to your pulmonologist, talk to your child's doctor, and let them know about habitcough.com.